In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your hair in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing your hair in Arcane Lineage is extremely simple. Because what you will notice is that if you open your inventory inside of Arcane Lineage and you try to browse through all of the options, you try to do it inside of the game, nothing will happen. This is because to actually change your hair, you just have to change the hair on your Roblox avatar. So instead of doing it inside of Arcane Lineage, just go over to your avatar on Roblox and change it here. So I'm going to go over to the customize page and I'm going to change the hair through this window. Of course, you can also do it on mobile or even consoles, and as long as you change your avatar, you will be able to see the new hair in game. So as you probably saw in the video, I had this brown hair equipped. So take a good look. This is how it looks like, and I'm going to equip this little spiky one. So let's go back into Arcane Lineage and you will be able to notice the difference. The only thing that's not going to be transferred over to Arcane Lineage is the color of the hair, so keep that in mind. The color, for whatever reason, is random, but the actual hair model is the same. So right now you can see that I have spiked hair. If you go back into the video, you will notice that I started the video with the different hair that I had previously equipped. So essentially, all that you have to do to change your hair in Arcane Lineage is to change your actual Roblox avatar hair, and it is going to be reflected here. Now, to my knowledge, unfortunately, you will not be able to change the color of the hair. It seems like the color is predetermined, but you will still be able to change the model of the hair, so you can choose whichever hair you prefer. And as long as you join Arcane Lineage with the hair equipped on your Roblox avatar, it is going to be reflected immediately upon joining. So, as you can see, once again, new hair equipped, and it has changed inside of Arcane Lineage. You can do this on any platform, and the change is always going to be reflected, except the color, which is unfortunate. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your hair in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.